Have you ever wondered what makes a Cornish hen so special? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of these young chickens that offer a unique dining experience. Let's explore! Cornish hens, also known as Cornish game hens, are young chickens that weigh between 1 to 2 pounds. They're typically less than 5 weeks old and offer a perfect single-serving size, one of. The secrets behind Cornish hens is their age. They are immature chickens, usually around 4 to 5 weeks old. This makes them tender and flavorful, perfect for a variety of recipes. The United States Department of Agriculture defines Cornish hens as young chickens bred specifically to be less than 2 pounds ready to cook. This makes them ideal for quick cooking and easy. Preparation. To cook Cornish hens, a popular method includes rubbing them with a mixture of butter, salt, and herby garlic. This enhances their natural flavors and creates a delicious aromatic dish. Cornish hens are often used in special meals due to their manageable size and rich flavor. They can be baked, grilled, or roasted for a variety of culinary applications. In summary, Cornish hens are young chickens that offer a unique dining experience. Their tender meat and manageable size make them an excellent choice for special meals. So there you have it, the fascinating details behind Cornish hens. What's your favorite way to prepare these young chickens? Let me know in the comments.